Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. Then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. Can play whatever I want today. I don't need test once. One command in the terminal to start. Wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. To change the tower builder is next task. Okay, but play it first. Line. Okay, should be ready. It runs in the browser, localhost for me. We start fresh. And what do I want to play? Let's play. So I'm the guy in the middle. First I have to choose a class: sniper, tower builder, tamer, brawler, musician. I think have been a long time since I played musician. I think this is the best for if I go to many enemies. I think a bit square, triangle. I think triangle was the safest one. The others are not so. Okay, let's do triangle. So as a musician I can play notes, I do music and damage. And now I have to run forward. Oh, okay. So I'm not so sure if I should do more notes or less, because more I have makes triangles smaller. This Let's see what I get from this boss. I do a mix, so only triangles. Slow on hit. I think shield gain might be the most helpful, because it can be a bit more reckless. Should I do sound? With speed I could probably also run more triangles. Multiply, thank you, this will help definitely. Or am I in time? I'm totally behind. Okay. As a musician, it's not easy to fight against many enemies. Or at least not to press forward fast. This was strange movement behavior. They were somehow... I think multiply slow on it. I multiply once more? Let's multiply once more. Do I do more bigger triangles? I think it's not worth it. Who knows? This got close. Only triangles could increase effect size. Or do speed? I think I feel like I need speed, but I need more nodes now. Ooh, this is dangerous. Could be my desk, could be my desk, could be my desk. Another triangle. Let's try effect size. There's no real protection currently. I could also try. Let's increase the node count and see if this helps more. Okay, triangles again. I think I take slow and hit. Oh god. So slow. This feels safer to have more triangles, I guess. And my music making something sound good is still not my strength, but doesn't matter. Oh, here. Build, perfect. Now it's probably damage over time, which is... Might also be that my... No, doesn't matter. In a way... Next boss. Okay, I wait here. or triangle. And then what do I do? Slow and hit, I think I don't need another. Let's do another effect size, so increase again. Ooh, this is my desk? Close. Triangle. Another effect size, I believe. Probably should pass 10. I think this will be the last boss I need to defeat. What? No. Okay, let's see where I died. Combat log probably 500, shoot. Ooh, this hits hard, but it's 10, yes. I'm not fast enough. 100 milli. Okay. This was one round of my game. Now I think about to do next, and I wanted to change builder. Oops, I wanted to have some more variation. And I wanted to have initial upgrades for it. Okay, and this is what I wanted to do. I start. No. I forgot one thing, and this is first my version 182 today. Next, I go to tower, but he's again slow. Is something running? He doesn't show it, but he's slow at the start. Code base is getting too big, maybe. So it's not even that big. I want basically a new value. Ability tower subtype. It is nothing at the start, so this will be string, I guess. I need to. No, it's undefined. It's fine. Now I need to export function. Wait. No, this is. Just think a bit. Ability tower initial subtype upgrade choices. So like this I need. This needs to return upgrade options or choices. I have to find out. I normally return, wait, option and probability. Wait. I think I don't want this. This one it is. Push them in upgrade options. And I have here. I feel like this is doing one more thing than what I need. Okay, this is for class. It's the usage. Go character upgrade options. Because I have a probability in here. Something I am missing. This is for class. What is this function doing? Fill random upgrade choices. Okay, then I select and put them in character. They do this thing because I take them out here randomly. So this is important when I want to randomly select, but this is all with probability. I cannot do this over this. I would need to see. Well, it could see that I have none and choices length. I check if I have choices I get. So if I call this function for my character, doesn't need an upgrade point, I believe. Get character upgrade options. Here he goes over all character classes. Let's check if the class function has one of these. Okay, it's quite complicated. I think I could probably gets more complicated. What do I need in the end? I need to I also have rerolls, I forgot. I want to be able to reroll. I have to put it all behind it. And if I want to have more than... I have to think. There are some things behind it which I have to check. I was unsure. So as long as I don't have more than 3 options, there's no need to reroll. Maybe I will not do more. So let's first start without the reroll, so I make it easy where I just need push. I push the option. Upgrade option. Okay, so it's upgrade option. And these are an array? Oh god, is it this way or the other way? It's at the end. No. Is it? Great options. Great option array and start empty. I think again somehow I'm a bit forgetting if this is now const or not. He will complain if it's not. So I return upgrade options. Now I need to set them. How does an upgrade option look? Upgrade options push. Will you tell me it's in here, I guess. This I have to check. Okay, I have something like this. This part is deletable. So this is display text. It's a stationary towers. Ability, type ability. This ability, I know why. Line damage identifier. This is subtype. I would say increase line damage. Towers placed is where towers placed will stay on position map. Sounds strange. Ability name. I have my ability name here. This is ability name. Oh god, what? Ability name tower. He's complaining about name. Why? Okay, only specific. Eh? What? It was down here. Name, ability name. Was this not correct? Only specifically known Boreal. Boreal and name does not exist in type upgrade option. Name does not exist in type upgrade option. What was this below here? Ability upgrade. Ah, okay. This is an ability upgrade option. Then it has this thing. This is why it's type ability. Okay, stationary towers and I have attached towers stay relative to character, relative to player, attach relative to player. And these two I will start with. this is what I return. I think next part would be to make them choosable. So I would go to my tower class, and when I change him, I would do character upgrade choices like this. Doesn't want to push. Choices push. Okay, this seems to be okay. Complaints. Now he's happy. Does this work? No idea. Builder doesn't seem to. Okay, now let's see. I would have believed it could already work. Tower class. Could be that I clean it up after it. So tower builder, this is. Yeah, I still have the upgrade choices. So this is an order problem. And let's find out how this is stick together. Execute default character upgrade option. And of course I have to execute it before I. But how does. Okay, I have to go over the standard logic, I guess. Hmm. Then it's a bit more complicated, I guess. Need to change my approach again. I add it on tower. It is again not showing changes. It's easier to find where I have to look. This is not working. I could do character. I have the char class. Experience level 1. Available skill points. I could do 1. So I start with 1. This would mean if I just have 1 directly, but I could fill this with the special upgrade choice, and this I have to follow again. Upgrade character. Upgrade options. I a bit different here. I go over ability. And I would check I have one. Push the options. Over abilities. If they have upgrade options, I push them. And then for build, I do something special. But essentially, I need to change this one under the special circumstance that ability name is Tower Builder. Okay, this is a leveling character. It's currently only leveling character is Tower Builder. So I might have to throw this even over there. Only you use it. Be like I will change it. No, this is I remove it from here. Put it in here somewhere. So it will be now even more specific to Tower Builder. Schön. Okay, already happy. Things to here now. Now it's definitely for Tower Builder, so I can. No, it's only for Tower Builder, so I know I'm the correct class. I know the tower ability exists. And I get also upgrade options for HP Rec, I remember. So probably my choice should be if my used I have one of is equals 0, then I have a different case, and else I do the rest, I guess. Upgrade. This is the else case, and now I need once tower ability equals, and options are here with probability, I guess. I can do this later. This is character abilities find ability name is ability name tower. Now if tower ability, I mean it could be undefined. It has to exist. Well, I don't care. I check for it. But he will complain that I don't return. No, he will return nothing. Okay. Tower. Do I upgrade option and probability? Okay, this is not what I create in my function currently. I actually need to change it. I have the upgrade option. And it also needs a probability. Oh, this means that I need upgrade option. Ah, I see my problem. I hoped he might help me with suggestions here. Let's change this. No suggestions? Why? No. Okay. Option. Probability. He doesn't accept the name here. Interesting. Because it's a different type. I need it. So I have upgrade option is an ability upgrade option. Why did you not? Because it existed, okay. Do this. I have the option option. I have the brackets. And now he might be happy. Two is this one. Think. Options 2 upgrade option and probability. It is this way. He doesn't like option. Doesn't he like? Does not complain here, but he complains here because I say the type. Okay. Now he's happy. So this now ability tower subtype upgrade choices. This is what I need to do here. Upgrade options push. And he should be happy with this. And this might work already. Tower builder. And does he? Stationary towers, attached towers. Didn't know that he does not do anything. I go to ability tower. Now I have these. Something is not adding up in how I do this. Line damage. So the identifier has to be. This is not subtype. Subtype. Stationary and subtype. Attached. Okay, these two words I take. Now I have to go to the execute. Create execute upgrade option. Don't return anything. He should end up in here. But he doesn't. Where's ability name? Ability name. But ability name should be ability name tower, shouldn't it? Yes, it should be. Have some ID behind it. I'm confused. Something is not adding up again. Execute upgrade option. No, not what I want. Control references might be more efficient. I should go through here, I guess. Execute it. So I have ability type. And it should go to used on. So this should in theory be used up, but it was not. I cannot use them up. Something is not happening. This wait, character upgrade options. Wait, don't I have the execute? No, this is character class tower. I need ability tower. Okay, go ability. I'm not sure. I don't think I go through here, so this will not happen. I'm convinced. It does. Interesting. But again, where am I? What did I do again? Undo save. So, what is my stack? Execute leveling character upgrade option. Okay, this doesn't match. Ah, God, this was correct. Is it? Roll. Did I end up in? No, no, no. Yeah, reset. I don't use it up. So I go out. I do this. I don't see where stuff happens. So now I clean the choices, but I fill it up directly again because okay. Because the point is not used up, but where do I use up the point? Oh, I'm confused again. Here, available, used, ++. Execute leveling character upgrade option. This is not happening. I am instead somewhere else. This is somewhere else. It's a default character. It should go over here. Go show his character class. Ah, I remember something. Here I set these, which I didn't move it out. Okay. This should fix it. Tower builder should now be used up. Perfect. Okay. Fixed. Now I need upgrade comes from here, doesn't it? And this sets the subtype. And it's all for this type. Okay. So I have subtype. Okay. And subtype attached. This would mean I have a subtype here, which would be, should I think for a moment. I will need to check this string, so I should have constants for it. Const, or I mean, taking a string for this might be also inefficient. I never use enums. So I did it until now. I guess I will keep doing it. Subtype station type stationary is stationary, and subtype attached. Let's make it this way and use it. Attached subtype. So there's no set. It has no influence at all. Yet, but I will. So let's go to cast tower. If I need the ability. Subtype is undefined. I return. Okay, and now I have one error somewhere. Someone got a bracket there. I don't know. Tower builder. I cannot place stationary towers. Okay. but it doesn't do anything. The thing I want to now try is have ability objects attached, ability object, essentially towers, but doesn't matter, I guess. So this is also an optional. And the goal is I cast the tower. If I push the tower, if ability tower subtype is subtype stationary, push it here. Else I ability tower ability object attached push. Oh no, it could be. No, I do it. Push new tower, new tower. Complains that it could be undefined. But I want to ensure it's not happening by setting it here. Now I would push them here. But no, this is not enough. There is more. I have a new tower. New tower, I have to check. Am I an enemy? And there are different things happening. Ability owner, new tower, new tower. For now, newest tower, newest D. Okay, this I might change. No, here. So, newest tower gets ability objects in. Get count of. This is also different. But I can this is an let, and if this might be more complicated later. If ability tower subtype is equals subtype attached, then ability objects would be ability tower T objects attached. So I override this, and this means the newest is actually, I don't need to check the other ones. Interesting. because the ability objects are now this might all work out. Interesting. Perfect. Overall, I only affect my own. So the cast would be fine, but paint ability. Paint hammer, and if ability tower, ability objects attached, then I would loop over them. Let tower of, this would mean paint let's do paint ability tower object. Basically this function. What do I need? CTX tower paint order. Oh, this is before character paint. I have to fake it. Game, why not? Paint all towers, I guess. Let's see. Still paints them. No, this cannot be. This didn't make sense. They are currently not ticking if they would be attached here. We'll delete this. Yes, it's not happening. I need to think. How is my time? Hour left. Paint ability tower. It's a hammer. This before doesn't work in this case. Wait, they have both? They have an before and after. Okay, I might need to call both in this case. After character paint. There's more, I guess. I will learn. But first, why does my cast tower not differentiate? I have ability objects. And if I am subtype attached, which I should be, then I should push against it. And this did not seem to work out. I have to find out why. So, where do I need to look? Ability tower, cast tower, ability tower, Cast tower, 3 cases. It is. And I should go in here. Tower builder, tower attached. Doesn't happen. My subtype is undefined attached. Undefined attached. Ah, perfection. Okay. Tower builder, station, attached towers. Perfect. This is what I currently expect. So now I do impose before. So this would make them tower stationary. They should be connected. So why is this not painted? Do both. Paint effect connected. Because they search. Paint effect connected. Ability objects. Paint effect connected. This is incorrect. Oldest tower of owner. Okay, I can now switch this. This will be stability objects is tower point. Ability object tower. I see. The tower doesn't know it. I think for a moment. I could do here one tower as an optional. Ability tower. Or undefined and undefined. This should work. Tower is ability tower, not the object. So he should be fine with this. Const ability objects would be ability tower. It would be ability tower, ability attached, else it's state game state ability objects. And now I won't use it here and here. This one is called up here, and here I can now put in tower ability. No, ability tower. Ability tower. That's what I put in. This should work. Next. tower attached. Okay, now they need to tick. If they tick, they are done. I'm done with my idea. Tick. Ability. If ability own ability tower ability objects attached, then I would for each one of these object tower of these tick. So object tower and the game. And when I tick, I should also do object tower x is equals. It's interesting. I need relative positions. Because I don't know how my player moved. Okay, change ability tower. Relative position. Relative position, okay. If I do this, when I cast a tower, if I am if ability tower subtype is attached, subtype attached, and tower no new tower relative position is equals x y something, and this something did I fail? Okay, but here I can do it. This would be object tower x is equals ability owner x plus object tower relative. Wait. Did edit. Relative position ability object tower. Okay, I can do this slightly differently, because this is only tower. Then I would have here the relative position x and the same for y. Okay, and you should complain more. So now if I cast it, set it, but I set it to 0, 0, which is not correct. So this is do I have the ability owner here? Ability owner x minus new tower x, something like this. Is this correct? Think for a second. the relative position. I currently don't know how to think about it. I have my ability owner X. If my tower is right from it, I would get a negative value, wouldn't I? But negative is incorrect, so I think it's the other way around. Let's try. So now if my tower is to the right, I will have a positive value. If it's to the left, I will have a negative value. And then it might make sense. Tower will stationary. Okay, and now it's okay. I think the lines don't work. The lines don't work. Okay, so I'm not ticking lines. Where do I tick lines? When do I tick lines? And why do I not tick them? Okay, I need to find out. Let's start at the top. Tick ability. Tick ability tower. And now these probably use tick effect connected. Yes, they go against here. And this is why they don't tick. I could change how this behaves. Tick ability object tower. Would put in here the tower again. Okay, I make the same as I did with paint. Do I find it fast? Well, not fast, but this one is the one I need. I make it as an input. He now complains because we W's it. I want to rename this to Jacked Tower. He did it not because, okay, let's do make a 2 here, so he's for now. This is object tower, and now this is ability tower. So I mainly need it in here, I guess, because here I will check for that's not an if. Ability tower attached, else it's this one. Then it should work, I guess. Tick effect connected. Let's go chain it up. And it's directly here. Ability tower. And now even the lines should do damage. Attach towers. Yes. Okay. Towers. Okay, it's in a sense it's working. But now I need to balance it. Okay, so let's restart. I try it out. Let's do small. So I am attach towers. I want the ice hour version, so I do this. Not connected. I press again, I guess. Okay, here I have it. +5 new towers. New towers. Cannot see me, but 5 further towers. I should change this. Okay, what is this tower type? You are now my front. Let's do 9 damage. More movement speed. Bonus HP. Tower damage. Let's kill these behind. Okay. Could also move up and down a bit. In a sense, it's working. I don't know if my line damage. I could go near. Oh, good. Go in him. I have problems with damage. And switching is not easy, I guess. And it's also interesting how I balance this. I will have to try, but it's at least interesting. Can I tank him? Or is it? What did he hurt me? Ah, I'm in his ice aura. This is a problem. I have no... Will I just move forward, I guess? So I guess the old towers don't get affected by the upgrades. So I have to replace this stuff? I guess it's true. Oh, this is problematic. So I need a new setup. Oh no. Let's make... No, I can just... Oh! No, I destroyed it. Okay, okay. I see the problem. Towers don't get the upgrades. Because it's on the ability. But this is stupid, I guess. Hmm. If I limit it, I could apply it. Okay, so still have time to try around. Line damage. So here I could check if I have the ability tower to do it for all towers. Max towers upgrade count. This shouldn't be affected. Oh, this is only 2 upgrades. This is no problem. But let's first find when I do a new tower. Create a new tower, create ability. I am interested where I do the damage. The damage in. Don't calculate anything. I wanted to change the paint or paint ability. Actually wanted 2 for loops. And after. Now they are done after each other, so it's easier to see. I will still not see my character. The main problem is I have only 2 setups. Update quit zap and update now, later. The next time it will happen automatically. So this should make the paint issue. Now I want the upgrade issue. I think I just updated. So if ability tower ability attached, then I go for add object of ability tower, ability object attached, object damage is equals ability tower damage, and here I do it. Is there a factor? Tower, no. What is object? Ability object attached is object tower. They do have abilities, so I have to check out where this tower damage factor goes, I guess. It's 1. Update tower object ability levels. Okay, here I do it once. Tower upgrade option. Wide count tower damage. Ability tower upgrade option. No, this is just for visualization. It's for text. Upgraded. This is strange. It's only here, I guess. No, essentially, that ability to level is boss tower. Kill enemy. Have to do this, I guess. Let's do it. For each object, tower damage factor is 1, then I check as damage ability damage. Okay, this should work. Next, I reload. So, tower builder again, attach towers. I want. How far can I even click away? Okay, I want Sauer again, I guess. 1. Okay, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here. 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 Full zoom, I make more towers. No. Next, Y. Okay, so no harder. Okay, too much. This is good enough. Towers. No. Oh god. Line damage. Max towers. Okay. So fixing this is problematic. Okay, doesn't matter, I cannot Okay. More towers. 1, 2, 3, 4. More towers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tower damage. Tower damage. Movement speed. 9 damage. 9 damage. HP rec. 9 damage. Tower damage. I barely get any as a bare bonus HP. Bonus HP. Rec. Movement speed. Towers, bonus HP, 9 damage, HP, tower damage. I did more tower. I have to slow him down. I don't know. Direct damage, damage. I have definitely spike legs here. I'm interested. The tick is relatively high this way, I guess. But it's depend on how many much stuff wants to me. Oh, I didn't see the boss. Ooh, this does damage. So I reached. This is interesting. How do I approach this boss? Because my front there is problematic. Why are you taking so much damage? Wait. Combat lock. Ice Aura. 500k ticks. Really? If I stand close enough with my Ice Aura. Die? Feel like the calculation is off. Let's... I should have waited. This... I don't have the damage meter anymore. But Ice Aura should not be so high. I see what I did, I guess. This is multiplying. It's growing bigger and bigger and bigger with each upgrade. So it's setting equal. No. Wait. But this is calculating it again and again and again. There's a bug in here. Okay, this I cannot do. And setting it to equal is also incorrect. That explains my damage. But why did it work when I set level? Let's search again. Set ability to level. I first set it to level and then I apply it. This is why it works. Update tower object ability levels. This I can do. So instead of doing this, I do I had the function, but thought I copied it. Set to enemy level, to boss level. No, I'm confused. What was the function? Yeah. Update tower copy. I hopefully have it copied. I have ability objects, which is and ability tower. Okay. This should fix this scaling issue. So I make attached towers again. 2, 3, 5. Let's make this one again center. Towers. Okay. I do line damage. This is 200. I make up. Okay, the upgrade was applied. Line damage is 600, 1000. It's going 130, 260. This looked correct. Max towers. 2, 3, 4. Don't see myself as the only problem, but when I have missing HP, I will see it. 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is now minus HP. HP, line damage, tower damage, HP Regen. Hit me. is dangerous. Speed. The damage is now not going into. If I can go close to him. Tear it. Damage. $16K. I want. Can go relatively close. No, I want him. I reached the boss. Let's see. This time. Go close to him. Go inside him. I cannot tank this for long. Inside him I do a lot of damage. But essentially I would need to... How do I do it? No, I need to be... So let's... Get fixed. I'm the single target. Oh, failed. So... Okay, now I have the single target up. Oh god, oh god, okay, I won. Yes, you are my new king. And now I'm interested what happens. Allow cheats. Close king area. Oops. Think I will just... See? So the lion things didn't do damage against me. The lines were transparent. Does this mean the faction was not changed? From the color here, I think the faction is incorrect. They did damage against me. Okay, normally I don't take over, so I see it. So there are a lot of problems with this stuff. Tanky. Words, I think most stuff is doing damage to me. It's not. Ah, he's replacing them now, I remember. He's destroying the pattern over time. But his cap is not. So his tower cap is, I think, somehow off. Oh, I need. I need farm upgrades. Take this. What's my damage now? I can hit him. Doesn't feel like it went up or down over time. I think the damage did, but the counter not. No, the damage is based on how many connections it's random. How is my time? 13 minutes. I think adding it in is too soon. There are too many problems. I should probably write down all the problems I have, but in general sense, this is usable. I have Junta's choice for builder. I am attached towers. Builder attached towers. So I need to do fix bugs. Let's call it bug. Line damage enemy. Bug king tower count not king correctly as balance different choices. I think first I need. I mean, the problem of this whole tower builder is limit balance different choices. Limit place range for attached. Maybe it goes up for level with level, but this is. I mean, it's a choice I have to do. Is it really this bad? I try again. So the problem is having so many towers is really. If they're stationary, they will not tick if they're left behind. If they are small, they are not so strong. But if I can attach them now. For now I should probably reduce. I want to do one change. Even though I could not abuse it, other players would. So. Towers. Town. Swan. Max Towers. This is bigger start Max Tower. Else it's empty. Interesting. Great count tower damage. Town. Something is confusing me. Max Towers. Ah, this is a count. Oh yes, now I understand what this does. But I want to limit it based on the choice I do. Which would mean start max tower, upgrade tower count, upgrade tower count. I have different ones for different cases. There's a few locations where I use this string, I guess. Not many. Only 5. Here, define it, use it, use it, use it. And yeah, I do it. Okay. Tower count. Stationary. And attached. Attached. So I want to change it. Now I have cases where it doesn't work out. Cons. Upgrade tower. It is upgrade tower count. Upgrade count tower and additional towers. Call it this way is ability tower. Ability object attached. Then I have not stationary. This attached. Now I have this value here. Does this work? Probably. Quizmax towers from 2. Okay, now I do it here. This is ability tower. Ability objects attached. Question mark. Tower count. Stationary. Count. Attached. Feel like. No, this might be correct. If I do attach towers. Max towers 2. And 2. Okay, this at least, I don't know if this is fair or not. Time will tell. And I want to reduce the range because I think this was quite high. But why not? Oh god. Why shouldn't I be able to? Maybe I keep it, maybe it's... Maybe I even push it in. Feel like... Okay, so let's try... attach towers, shoot. Two more towers. Oh god, this was bad, I guess, but I will... more towers. More towers. Line damage, but I think I need no line damage with this Q setup. Tower damage. Bonus move speed. Dragon. I want bonus HP, thank you. Okay, still died fast, but... they are getting close. Move speed, yes. Q. Okay, I'm still perfect in time. Be careful. I do with a few more bonus towers. Let's try to place him. Okay. So the main problem is, I guess, I don't know how many towers I placed. Closer they come, the more damage they take. 16k. Oh, yeah, just one. Just one. Oh, this might be. Oh, let's try to wreck. Okay, increased my HP rec by a lot. What is this? Why are here towers? I am confused. This doesn't add up. Who do they belong to? What is this? I need to think. These are player related. It's my past character, I guess. So if I die, they will exist and they will tick. Will they? Do they tick? What did I? Why? They don't tick, but they are painted. Oh, I did destroy my thing. No. Could I? Okay. Place it all to the side, because I don't have another option. And I go single target again. I actually don't know. Okay. How many I have part? Okay, perfection. I think this past character stuff. Yes, it's him probably. I have to verify stationary, no attached towers. Let's go here, and now I go die. Now I have to check if they do damage. I don't think so, no. I don't paint them. Let's see. Because there was things I wanted to paint and things I did not want to paint. So let's go to tower, paint. If the ability is disabled, I don't paint it. And ability tower, paint hammer, this is fine. I could do it here. If ability disabled, return. Okay, this should be fine. Now I shouldn't see them anymore. Perfect. But if I take him, now have this. Okay, and this is not ID resetting. This is... God, this is... They don't count. They are... Oh. So I think I should disable it still. Balance different choices. I did a balance change one. Bug. Past character. Bug. Ability objects don't date IDs. when taken from past character will be there. Have won't stay forever. And I have to check this, so I have to remember. So first I probably should think, because I should come to an end soon, how I disable it. Probably how to choose. No. I will character class tower. I can say available 0 used 1, and I change and my tower ability is by default set to something. This will break it, I guess. Let's see. Type stationary, subtype. This should now complain. Ability tower, so now I have subtype stationary. But if subtype is undefined, I return. It's attached, it works different. Perfect. If it's attached, it works different. This is an upgrade. So it actually works. Sync. So just setting. So I have this tower builder. It's still all working like before. Let's see. One more upgrade. Max towers 5. 510. Okay. And now when I go to class and change this up, I will again be able to choose, I guess. Yes, okay, perfect. Does this break anything? Because this means that people who play don't have this value and it will be undefined. And it will no longer work. So these things break. Code. I need to check again where I use subtype. Yeah, I return. I can no longer cast towers with it. Interesting. But oh no, this is a problem. I can cast them before. So I have double and ability tower. Subtype disable last passive. Do I have any? ability owner, available skill points. No. No. Can I determine this? So this is no longer working. If I assign it to something, ability. No, subtype stationary. If I do this, I have something, but I actually want to know if ability owner, weight choices, and if I have upgrade choices. Things bigger 0. We cannot do this. It's possibly undefined. Okay. Then and tower each time I cast. Probably will change it 0. Character class. Is this a good check? Basically checking if my subtype was not chosen yet. Don't like it. I should keep this one. This works for now, but I need to fix it. I can press okay, game task. Continue. Set subtype to undefined again. Need some code makes it not break with all stuff. And some this one maybe. Okay, let's see. Now I should run my tests. My tower builder should work still, I believe. Oh, and I always forgot to put on the short king this list. Also, he reaches the king and kills him, so maybe it's fine. So this is an interesting one. Will it still work? Technically, it should not have changed anything. It might be a bit slower, but I will see. All fine still. Okay, all works, so I can push it. Work in progress. Tower will attached mode. I push it. It's deployed. With this, I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.